All right. So we are going to continue from 2020 Igbo language L2 past question. So that is where we will continue from. That's where we'll continue from Igbo language 2020 past question. So this is part, okay? This is part 3. Part 3. Okay, we start from number 21, as you can see it here. Number 21 question say we are looking at ọnụọgụgụ, which is numeral, which is numbers. Okay, so 21 says otu puku pụtara gịnị na bekee? The answer is C, which means 1,000. Otu puku means what in English? That's the question. Otu puku means what in English? So the answer is C, which is 1,000. As you can see, we have done these things in class. If you are my student. Okay, number 22. How do we write 10 in Igbo? The answer is A, which is what? Iri, which is A. Number 23. Number 23. 90 pụtara gịnị n'asụsụ Igbo? What does 90 mean in Igbo language? That is 23. The answer is E, which is iri itoolu. Iri itoolu. I told you, if you don't call itoolu, if you don't call 9 itoolu, you can still refer to it as iteghete. So, in case if you see iri itoolu or iri iteghete, it's still the same thing. Iri itoolu or iri iteghete is still the same thing that we are talking about. Okay, let's look at greeting. Ekele. Ekele means greetings. From 24. From 24, which is greeting. And that's all we'll eat now. Bagara now.
Where you buy that one?
So 24. Kedu ihe bụ welcome n'asụsụ Igbo? Okay. Kedu ihe bụ welcome n'asụsụ Igbo? Welcome, what does it mean in Igbo language? So we have A, imeela, we have B, isiela, have C, iruola, we have D, no, E, setia, no. The answer is D, which is no, that is welcome. Welcome means no in Igbo language. And number 25, we have Ijeoma bụ ekele a na-ekele onye. Ijeoma bụ ekele a na-ekele onye. The answer to number 25 is B, which is eme njem. That is the greeting you give to somebody that is embarking on a journey. Eme njem. Okay, look at number 26. We have there. We have gịnị ka a na-ekele n'ehihie? What do Igbo people greet in the afternoon? Okay. We have A to E. Okay, the answer is A, which is ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Okay, so we are going to look at ABD Igbo, that is Igbo alphabet from 27. ABD Igbo alphabet. So number 27 says, Ekere ABD Igbo ụzọ Ekere ABD Igbo ụzọ ole? Igbo alphabet we are divided into how many? The answer is B, which is abụọ, which is B, abụọ. Okay, number 28. Ụdamfe na dash bụ ụdị ụdaume abụọ enwere na asụsụ Igbo. Okay, ụdamfe na ụda arọ. Ụda olu. A, the answer is A, which is ụda arọ. Ụda arọ, okay? Ụdamfe na ụda arọ. The answer is A, which is ụda arọ. Right, number 29 says, Nyiri ụdaume enwere n'asụsụ Igbo bụ dash from A to E. Okay, nyiri ụdaume. Okay, is mimi, shiki. Okay, D, which is nwi, ni. Alright. Okay, number 30, we have kedu nke gbasoro ezi nhazi na ndị a? Which one is well arranged? Which one of these is well arranged? Okay, the answer is A, which is we. That is the answer under Igbo thing. That is the answer. A is the answer. We. Go and check it out. That is the answer. Under Igbo alphabet, the one that is well arranged. Okay, so the next class we are going to start from number 31. So have it in mind. Number 31. So thank you very much for staying to this moment. Please subscribe to our channel for better videos and good content. Share this to your friends that are interested in learning Igbo, or that is in your class, Igbo L2. This is Igbo L2 past question. This one should be part 4 or 3. No, it's part 4. So, alright. So, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your time.